Next we are discussing fifth point. Fifth point is very simple, that I am discussing directly. See, if I have alpha belongs to closed interval a to b, closed interval a to b. Okay, so if you want here alpha power even v1, alpha power even v1. So alpha power even what will come? Like alpha square if you want, or alpha power 4 if you want. So what will come? So that depend on what? A and b value. A and b value. So how? So there are three categories will come. If A and B both positive. If A and B both positive, then what will come? Alpha power even equal to what will come? Alpha power even belongs to what will come? Closed interval will come. A power even will come, comma B power also even will come. So this is not included. Next category. If A and B both negative, A and B both negative, then alpha power even what will come? Belongs to, if both negative, A and B both negative, so B power even will come first, comma A power even will come next. Okay, B power is what? Smaller than A power even will come. Okay, so here B is not included, so this is also not included. A is included, so this is included. And third category is what? If A is negative and B is positive. Here one thing is very important, that A should be less than B. That already we discussed in interval. Okay, so A is negative and B is positive. Then alpha power even. Alpha power even. What will come this one? This is belongs to closed interval 0 to. In this one, we will find out max of A power even, comma B power even. That we have to find out. Okay, so here equal to sign. See, if A power even is maximum. So in this one, if A power even is greater than B power even. So here what will come? 0 to A power even will come. So A is included, so A power even also included. So this also included will come. And second case is what? If A power even is less than B power even. Okay, then what will come here? Closed interval 0 to B power even will come. And here B is not included, so B power even also not included will come. Okay, for example if I take in this case alpha belongs to -3 to 2 is open. Then if you want alpha square, so alpha square belongs to what will come? See, -3 to 2. So if you take number line, so -3 is included and 2 is not included. So in between 0 will come na. So alpha equal to 0 possible. So alpha square is what? 0. So minimum value what will come? 0 will come. Okay, and maximum value what will come? See, -3 square is what? 9 and 2 square is what? 4. So you can say -3 square is greater than 2 square. So here will come what? 9. -3 square is what? 9. So -3 is included. So this also included, like that will come. Okay, if both positive. So alpha belongs to, suppose 2 to 3. Okay, 3 is open. Then alpha square belongs to what will come? This is what? 4 and this is 9. So closed interval 4 to 9 will come. And both negative. So we are taking example. Alpha belongs to closed interval -6 to -3 open. Then alpha square what will come? See, -6 square is what? 36 and -3 square is what? 9. So automatically -3 square 9 will come first and 36 will come second. Okay, so here we can say -3 is not included, so this is also not included. -6 is included, so 36 is included. So this is belongs to this one will come. So if we take even power, then we have to do like that. Next is what? If alpha belongs to closed interval A to B only, and we want alpha power odd, then what will come? Alpha power odd belongs to what will come? Closed interval A power odd, comma B power odd. We don't care here what is A, what is B. Directly we can take A power odd, comma B power odd.